Hi everyone, my name is Wouter, co-founder of Chartbuddy. Today I want to deep dive a bit into our Sheets integration, which is really useful for recurring reporting, whether that's monthly or quarterly. Let's walk through by means of a waterfall chart. This is a very standard waterfall chart, as we see. Rather than editing the data inline, we connect to Google Sheets. Now I've already prepared a Google Sheets with a dataset that is aligned with the right format of waterfall charts, and it also has conditional formatting. Negative is red, positive is green. Now you can see the Chartbuddy recognizes that there is a Sheets open, it recognizes the selected cells, and it automatically fetches the data, including the coloring. There's an option to automatically update the chart whenever there's new data. I like to have the control, so I keep that off. I save the connection. Let's see what happens. Now, there's a couple of mapping issues here, which is normal. So per segment, you need to identify actually what the function of that segment is. This is a driver and not a total value. And the last one is a total value, but it's now marked as a driver. So now it looks already a bit better. And then you can also sync the conditional formatting, coloring of the sheets by selecting the source color over here. And now you see that all the green drivers are marked as green, or the positive drivers are marked as green, and all the negative drivers are marked as red, which is great. Let's change some of the data now in the sheets and see what happens. So we make this positive, and we make this negative. You can see that the coloring is changing in here. If we then go back to Chartbuddy and refresh, then both the quantitative changes as well as the change in color are automatically synced. Great for your monthly financial reporting cycle. Hope you found this useful. Let us know if you have any questions. And otherwise, happy charting.